DirectFix.com presents the Blackberry Storm 9500 screen replacement and take-apart directions. Warning, this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You're using these video directions and its content at your own risk. AX Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or condition of any kind, express or implied. Following these directions on this video will void your warranty. You're performing this repair at your own risk. Be sure to visit us on the web at DirectFix.com for all your parts and accessory needs. At checkout, use coupon code YouTube for 5% off your first order. Turn the Blackberry unit over. Release the hinges to remove the battery door. You're now going to remove the battery from the back of the unit. Using a case opener tool, remove the cover over the camera and camera lens. It is held on by sticky tape. Using a T6 Torx driver, remove the two Torx screws that were under the cover. Using a case opener tool, turn the Blackberry unit over and release the cover at the bottom of the unit. This is held in with clips, so be careful. The cover is under the buttons at the bottom of the Blackberry Storm unit. Using a T6 Torx, remove the two screws from under the cover. On the back of the unit, use the T6 Torx to remove two more screws where the battery was removed. Using a case opener tool, run it along the edge of the frame to release the back frame cover from the front. There is 3 tabs on each side that will need to be released in order for it to come apart. Be careful, there is an antenna still connected to the front. It is held on like a cap. Just pop it off and it will release the antenna wire. You are now able to remove the screen and motherboard from the back plastic frame. There is a cable holding the screen to the motherboard. Pop the cable up and it will release the screen from the motherboard. Please be sure to click the link on the right side of the screen to take you to our website, DirectFix.com, for all your parts and accessory needs.